Hey everybody, it's Lori Ballen here in Las Vegas with Lori Ballen team serving Las Vegas, North Las Vegas, Henderson, and from Green Valley to Summerlin. And I'm going to show you today how to add a local insight to KELLE. Now we have the ability to talk to KELLE and we have the ability to type. And generally speaking, my typing is working a little bit better. She understands the typing better. So I'm going to put add a local insight. Now she pops up with, okay, what type of insight would you like to add? A place, an area, or other. Okay, so I'm working right now, I'm going to enter a place, which is the Vistas, which is a neighborhood where I live up in Summerlin in Las Vegas. So I'm gonna cover the Vistas. So what you want to do with this is anytime you are out and about and you're thinking about it, you add a local insight to wherever you are. Yesterday I did, I went for a massage, and so I took a quick picture of the lobby, and I added a picture of the lobby and then a little information about the massage place, prices, and who to ask for when they go. You know, I'm trying to think of like what would be valuable for them. Okay, now we're typing on our phones, so there's only so much info that that we're probably going to put in there super quickly like that. Maybe we'll have the ability to edit these better after the fact. But let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and click place, and then our little map is going to pop up, okay? And so it's going to show you where you are, and here's where you can do place. This would be area, and this would be other, okay? You know, I'm going to do area because I'm covering a pretty large neighborhood. So title, I'm going to put the Vistas. I'm really hoping we have the ability to do this on mobile, or I mean on desktop, or edit these on desktop because I'm not the best typer on mobile. The Vistas at Summerlin, and I'm going to put neighborhood. So somebody's driving through the Vistas, they pull up the local insight, and they want to know, and I'm going to put neighborhood with 4,000. Yeah, I probably should have had what I wanted to type before I made this video. That's okay. 4,000 plus single family residences. There are several parks, walking and jogging trails, I'm just going to leave that for now. Homes range from around $300,000 to luxury. We'll just do that. You know, it's interesting now that I'm typing this, I'm going to think out loud. I wonder if we should be putting calls to action in here at all. They didn't say much about that, did they? Like, if I were to call Lori Ballen team to buy or sell a home in the Vistas today, I haven't really seen whether or not that's suggested or not suggested, or how they're going to be using these local insights. So I'm going to leave it off for now, just so I can show you how to do this. I'm going to click the little photo at the bottom, and I'm going to do choose from library. All right, so here's a couple. I'm laughing at my library here. Okay, so it's slowly loading. I don't know if you can see that little wheel over the picture. It's slowly loading there. Okay, so for now, this is what we're doing. I understand that this probably has a lot more coming to it. I'm not 100% sure of the goal for these, other than they've said that they're going to reward real estate agents at Keller Williams by those who create the most local insights are going to be positioned in a higher display order on the Keller Williams referral network. I'm Lori Ballen in Las Vegas, and I would very much appreciate your referrals. Thanks.